What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of November 7th, 2025. My name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist.
And I'm Clint. I'm kit production manager.
And this is where we like to go through the newsletter with y'all in person and show y'all everything. So let's get started.
All right, jumping right in. First thing we want to talk to you about today is a sale we have going on our Oh Beautiful Flag Runner and Amber Waves mini packaged quilt kits from Riley Blake. These are featuring the Americana collection by Lori Holt. The kit includes two projects, the Flag Runner, the mini quilt, and it is tucked in an adorable B-shaped box. These are regularly priced at $112.96, and we have them on sale for $66.96. That is 40% off. So if you're feeling patriotic, cue the fireworks and start creating while this deal is still buzzing.
All right, first collection we're going to talk about today is from Benartex. This is the Prairie Chicks collection. This is featuring a 24-inch panel, the Prairie Tiles quilt kits, as well as some assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are chickens, florals, birdhouses, beehives, and dots in colors of blue, green, red, orange, black, and cream. So if you like to look at this collection, make sure to hatch your next project with Prairie Chicks from Benartex.
Next up for us today is Typography from Riley Blake. This collection features lots of Lori Holt notions that are expected to arrive late November, as well as the Just My Type boxed kits, the fat quarter bundles. We've got background fat quarter bundles as well, and assorted yardage. The patterns for this one are classic fonts, typewriter prints, and retro design elements in colors of cream, green, orange, black, gray, peach, blue, brown, gold, and purple. So if you like the sound of that, why not type up some nostalgia with Typography?
Next collection we're going to talk about is one from Moda. This is the Bluebird's Nest collection. This is featuring some patterns, jelly rolls, the Choose Happiness quilt kits, the Bluebird Quartet quilt kits, as well as the fat quarter bundles and the assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are birds, florals, comets, tiny birds, and some checks and plaids in colors of course, blue and cream. So make sure to bring a sense of calm to your quilts with Bluebird's Nest from Moda.
Next up is a collection featuring some classic literary characters. We got the Peter Rabbit and Friends Flannel from Riley Blake. This is licensed by Beatrix Potter, and this collection features fat quarter bundles as well as the full collection of yardage. The patterns are Peter Rabbit characters and delicate toile prints in colors of blue, cream, green, and pink. So bring your storybook sweetness to your sewing with Peter Rabbit and Friends Flannel.
All right, next collection is another one from Riley Blake. This is the Winter Magic Flannel collection. This is featuring a fat quarter bundle as well as the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are winter creatures as well as snowflakes and swirls. The colors are blue, aqua, navy, and white. So if you like the look of this collection, make sure to wrap yourself in warmth using the Winter Magic Flannel collection from Riley Blake.
Next up, we want to talk to you about another sale we've got going on. This time, it's for the Little Witch Felt Party panel from Riley Blake, featuring Little Witch. This panel is 36 inches by 69 inches. It is high quality, 100% polyester felt, regularly priced at $25.96, and we've got it coming to you at $14.96. This panel will make a bat banner, a 3D witch's hat table topper, placemats, utensil wraps, loot bags, masks, coasters, 3D pumpkins with optional jack-o'-lantern faces, as well as a bonus witch and cat felt dolls. So if that's your speed, I say snag this Little Witch Felt Party panel for cheap before it vanishes into thin air.
Next, we have a hot pruder we want to talk about. This is the Marine Meadow packaged quilt kit. This is being featured from the Tula Pinks Floral Reef collection from Free Spirit. This is priced at $280.96 a piece. The kits are scheduled to ship between May and June of next year. So make a splash by pre-ordering the Marine Meadow packaged quilt kit from Free Spirit.
All right, now as always, we want to mention our 1-yard cuts. These 1-yard cuts we have on sale at $9.96 each. We are adding new prints all the time. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to go. No cutting table required for you or for us. Multiples will not be continuous. If you buy 2 1-yard cuts of the same print, they will be 2 separated 1-yard cuts. So if that's something you've been looking for, buzz on over to our website to check out our 1-yard cuts.
All right, guys, well, we're at that point in the video where we're going to do our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's show to read on this week's show. And on this week's comment of the week, we have a comment from a bunch of different people, but we loved seeing how many comments there were for us to pick from. It was very, very great to see. We're just going to pick specifically one, which is from Del Marie Snodgrass 5038, which says, "Hi, Bob Ross and Santa Claus. I'm infatuated with Santa Claus's choices of favorite fabrics. Happy Halloween. We really appreciate your comment, and again, everybody else's comment. Santa did have some very good choices of fabrics. And we also wanted to bring up some of our favorite collections we're enjoying currently, or that we've ever enjoyed. And I know personally for me, I really like the fall and autumn forward collections. A lot of them are from Riley Blake that I like Sunflower Whispers. Any of the ones that have like that burnt orange sienna kind of color with any type of sage greens, I kind of like. Those are always the ones that really hit for me. I don't know, my great grandma used to make a whole bunch of quilts that were in those colors, so I think that's probably why I like those. What about you, Clint?
I'm a sucker for like characters and franchises. So previously we had a How the Grinch Stole Christmas collection that I really love, but I saw the Peter Rabbit one on the newsletter this week. I like that, and I happen to know that there is also another collection coming down the line called Hello Alice from Ruby Star. It's got a lot of vibrant colors. It's an Alice in Wonderland theme, and I think it looks really good. All right, that's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. As always, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that little bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured as Comment of the Week. Follow us on social media. All of our links are down in the description. We'll see you next week.
See ya.